Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset the Sony SRS XB12 Bluetooth speaker. Resetting your Sony SRS XB12 Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings erases all known connections to other devices. Performing a factory reset on your Sony Bluetooth speaker is a great way to try and troubleshoot problems for kicking someone off of your speaker who you no longer want paired with it, or for clearing all known connections before you either sell your Sony SRS XB12 or hand it down to someone else. Now let's walk through the steps to restore your Sony SRS XB12 to its default factory settings. Step 1. Press the power button to turn on your Sony SRS XB12 Bluetooth speaker. The small power light will blink for a few seconds before turning solid blue. Step 2. Hold down both the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 5 seconds, and then release the buttons. The Sony SRS XB12 Bluetooth speaker will be restored to its default factory settings and powered down. You can confirm the SRS XB12 was factory reset by powering the device back on. When you power the device on, the power light will start blinking rapidly, indicating the device is in pairing mode. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.